everybody. Welcome to cardio boxing. Grab your gloves if you have them. If you don't, join in without your gloves. It's going to be a really fun class. Here we go. We're going to start just with some side shuffles. Back and forth. So while you're doing your side shuffles, whatever space in your house that you have more room, you can do that, all right? So maybe you're doing them in a different area, maybe down a hallway, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you come back because we have more. Here we go. Shuffle to the side, jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and slam. Come back. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, slam. And keep going, side to side. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, slam. And we're forward. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and slam. Keep that going. Look behind you when you're shuffling backwards. You don't want to trip over a child or a dog or a rug. Keep that area clear. Hook, uppercut, and slam. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and slam. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, and slam. We have 30 seconds. I don't know about you, but I can feel my heart rate. 10 seconds. And back to shuffle. Side to side. Side to side. We have 10 seconds left. How you feeling? Feeling good? And our first series is done. All right, 15 seconds to rest. Then we're going to do it again. This time we're going to be doing some ollie shuffles and some lunges. All right? Here we go. You can step your ollie shuffles or jump your ollie shuffles. But you have 30 seconds. You're halfway there. You got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big back step, jab, cross, overhead, overhead. Together, big step back, jab, cross, over, over. Remember, as you change legs, your jab will change. So, right leg forward, right punch first. Left leg forward, left punch first. As you get the hang of it, I want you to deepen this lunge if you feel right. Deepen it down. Really work those glutes. We have 1 minute left. How low can you go? Takes a lot of coordination, a lot of balance to do this. We have 30 seconds. about that one for just a second. Remember, right foot forward, right punch first. 10 seconds. And we're shuffling. Ollie shuffle or Ollie stepping. You choose. Just keep moving. Keep those hands up. 20 seconds. Ten. 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're resting. Woo! Nice deep breaths. Grab a drink if you need to. You have about 10 more seconds. If you need longer, take longer. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're back to a jump rope. Nice and gentle jump rope. This one's a nice active rest. You can do this as slow or as big as you want. We have 10 seconds remaining. All right, fighter stance. We have a bob, hop, weave, hop, jab, jab, cross, bob, hop, weave, hop, jab, uppercut, jab. Bob, hop, weave, jab, jab, cross, bob, weave, jab, uppercut, jab. If you don't want to jump, tippy toes. Or nothing. You choose. Bob, weave, jab, jab, cross, bob, weave, jab, uppercut, jab. Bob, weave, jab, jab, cross, bob, weave, jab, uppercut, jab. Keep it going. If you forget the punches, no worries. Make up your own sequence. We have about 30 seconds. Jab, jab, cross. Jab, uppercut, jab. We are so close. 20 seconds. Don't get tired on me now. Seconds to rest. Oh, we don't get a rest break. We have to do jump rope. I'm so sorry. I'll take it back, but I'm going to give you another one. All right, jump rope. 15 seconds. We can't forget this. This is my favorite part of the whole workout. Makes me feel like I'm in middle school again. And now you can rest. 15 seconds. I'm going to take my gloves off for a second. My hands are nice and sweaty. All right, so remember our jump ball slams? We got 30 seconds of those suckers coming up. Here we go. Tippy toes down. Tippy toes down. If you want, add that jump. But what I want to see, nice and quiet land. Nice and quiet. How light can you go on your feet? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 fast. Anything slows. 10 slow. 5 shuffles somewhere else. 20 fast. Even though you're going fast, I still want full swings. None of this little stuff here. Full swings. And 10 slow. And we're moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 fast. 10 slow. 5 steps. 20 fast. 10 slow. We have 1 minute left. And move your feet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 fast. Full punches. 10 slow. Move your feet. 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 fast. 10 slow. And we have ball slams. Nice and quiet. It's hard. This floor is hollow in the basement and it echoes. So try to make it as quiet as you can. We are halfway there. 10. And we are done. Great job.